Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Before going to the today's prediction Wednesday, I would like to review the Tuesday's market closing. Nifty ended up in the flat positive 17,769.25, 25.85 points in the positive. And once again, it is exactly happened in our market, which we specifically pointed out this particular key level volatile stop loss for the bullish. That is where the low, which is 17,716. So it has matched that particular level, and then it was struggle initially around 17,789 to break, but after that, once again, it has started to break on the later afternoon, and the high is around 17,807.45, which is still not closed yet because this particular level 3 points minus 3 point inside range not reached, so that this new target is open still 17,810.82 for the remaining days. So once again it is traded in between, and it has closed 17,769, which is in our data. Specifically, this closing numbers were not matched, but interestingly, the high which is matching in our data 17,808 in the range, but the closing number was not matched. If closing number was not matched, means it will be definitely matched in the next data. It was closed in the range of 17,720, I mean 17,772 in the range, and the low you can check 17,716, which was not able to break this particular level. So the key level is 17,722. So anyhow, it was the pre-opening well above the key level, those two levels, but it was not able to break. Pre-open was in the past around 17,761, so it is well above this level, but somehow it has came down, but not able to break further towards to the bullish side, which is 17,824, these levels. So in our data, every now and then it is matching. Let's go to the Wednesday market. The Wednesday data which shows that we don't have any warning signal, but once again, one bullish, one bearish with two volatile. So we need to go for edging whether once again, because of volatile data comes means it will have a higher and lower unexpected moves will be there. So we can expect a volatile market. And and interestingly, in the previous data which shows that for the volatile we have two records, which all the time pre-openings are in the positive around 59.65. But right now the HSNP Nifty is showing gap down around 45 to 55 points. But we need to wait for the pre-opening. But still pre-opening is in the positive also. Nifty has fallen down from that particular level from the pre-opening, which is low around 156 to 105. But previous from the previous closing around 96.2, 40 points it has went down, so that we can expect a downfall if pre-open is in the positive also. So because of two volatile indicators swings the market, but at this point of time the SGX Nifty is showing that uh, it is going to be a negative pre-opening, which is 53 points, because of the global markets are in US markets all down around 1.98%, so that it might impact, and we need to wait for the global market those are open in the Asian market. So as of now it is showing 53 points in the negative, so we need to wait for the pre-opening how it is going to be, and our data is also indicating the volatile. And The pending target which we have still in hand, which is 17.8, 10.82, and 17.597 and 17.548. These three targets are only we are going to focus right now, so that but still we have the pending target which is 18,024, which is 254 points gap from the previous closing, and 16,927, which is 841 points is there. So uh, we need to keep the hedging method because of those as well, because our indicators are showing both side is possible to trade. And as per support and resistance level, anything above the volatile level 1, which is 0.55%, 97.73 points, 17,866.98. Anything above that pre-opening means Nifty is in the bullish zone. So one put out on call option you need to buy as a hero zero, and anything below the volatile 2, which is 0.21%, 37.32, 17,731.93 below. If it is trading pre-opening, then we need to go for a put option because of Nifty is in the bearish zone. So one put option you need to buy it as a hero zero, and anything in between the volatile 1 and volatile 2, if pre-opening is in between those two levels, which is 91.97 points to 37 points, in between pre-opening means in the volatile zone, so you need to go for hedging method. And volatile stop loss for the bearish, this particular 17,887 plus 10 points. If Nifty is not breaking high, then Nifty is having potential to fall down. And volatile stop loss for the bullish 17,731 minus 10 points. If Nifty is not breaking, Nifty has potential to go bullish. These are all the volatile stop loss for the bullish and bearish. And anything pivot level below the pivot level, Nifty will always try to go down. So plus 10 points you can keep stop loss and go for a sell, and minus 10 points you can keep stop loss and go for a buy if Nifty is trading above or below. According to that, you need to keep stop loss and wait. As of now, Nifty is showing Nifty might go down, and we have a 80% target which is in the negative side around 0.69%, 1.22. I mean, sorry, 122.61, 17,646 level, but pre-opening has to be in the negative. So pre-opening is negative means this target is getting active. We can focus on this particular target to trade. But if pre-opening is in the positive, then the chances are 50-50. If pre-opening is in the negative means the chances are 80%. So that is why we are calling it as 80% a target. If pre-opening is in the negative positive means the chances will become 50-50. It might fail also. So need to play cautiously if pre-opening is in the positive means. And the other data, other rule which is resistance level 1 and support level 1 rule, which is anything in a resistance level 1 is not breaking this particular level plus 10 points, Nifty will go down heavily. This is the resistance level loan. So 17,795 plus 10 points we need to watch out. So if that particular level is not breaking, if you fall down, and the support level 1 rule, which is anything this particular level minus 10 points, if it is not breaking, then 17,755 minus 10 points. If it is not breaking, then Nifty will go bullish. So these are all the other common rule. And we have a wide range of positive and negative average. The positive average is there around 209 points, 17,978, and the negative average is also quite good around 143 points, 17,625. But we have so many support levels or in the downside, so we need to watch out those levels closely because of anywhere between 1725 to, sorry, 17,625 to 17,602, there are so many support levels are there, so we need to watch out those levels. Any level it can get support and reverse a bit. If it is trading above those levels, Nifty will struggle to break further down so that Nifty has potential to recover. But if it is trading below this level, then these support levels will become resistance levels. So watch out those levels. We need to closely monitor as well. And the par value rule, which shows that anything pre-opening is below this level, Nifty will try to go down towards to downside 17,361. So at the same time, we have volatile indicators too, which we need to trade for the positive target 2 to negative target 2, which is 301 to minus 157 range, which is 18,071 to 17,617. 17. So wide range is still possible around 450 points. So that is the reason we asking to go for a hedging method. And the other rule which shows anything in the negative, Nifty will try. Nifty is in control of the bearish around 46 points, so 185 points negative closing is possible, but anything above 17,857, then only bullish is in control. So watch out these numbers very closely. If anything in the positive around 88 to even flat positive, Nifty will struggle. So watch out those levels. And this average key level pre-opening is below this level means Nifty will try to go down. So that is also we need to closely monitor. And the expected closing number, the expected closing number and the key level is there in the range of key level is there in the range of 17,820, which is 51 points. So watch out this key level. And the flat close indicates 17,814.70 to 17,826.95, which is 45 points to 57 points. And the flat bullish is showing 17,864 to 17,876.94 to 107 points. And the flat bullish is showing 17,894 to 17,908, 125 points to 139 points. And bullish is indicating 17,959 to 17,998, which is 190 to 229. And extreme bullish is showing 1898 to 18,161, which is 328 to 391. So the bullish once again dominated. So hedging method is still advisable because of if we may not know how the market will react. And the flat bearish is showing 17,755 to 17,765, which is 14 points to 3 points in the negative. And mid bearish is 17,714 to 17,723, 54 to minus 4. Uh, 45 points minus 4, 54 to minus 45 points in the negative, showing around bearish 17,666 to 17,681, which is 103 minus to 87 minus. And the extreme bearish is showing 17,587 to 17,605, which is 181 to 163. So the extreme bearish is still has potential hit because in our first downside target is there in the range of 17,597, and positive side which is 17,810. So the closing expected closing still has potential somewhere in the flattish to downside is still possible, but if anything breaks the pivot level, still Nifty might go bizarre bullish towards to 18,000 range. So that is the one more reason we specifically asking to go for edging method. Edging method you can go once again the gap between 200 points range from the pre-opening above 100 points put option and below 100 points uh, call option. This combination will be handy. 100 points above put option, which means for example if the market is trading somewhere in the 17,720 range, if pre-opening is somewhere here like that, or even 17 uh, 741 like that. Anything pre-opening means from that particular level about 100 points, which means if example 17 750 round off I am taking, if pre-opening is here means you can buy 17 850 put option and 17 650 call option. So this kind of combination will be handy so that Nifty is going trending towards to 18,000 unexpectedly. Also you need not to worry because of this combination will you help to make money, so that combination will handy for today. And the other data which shows that this is going to be indicating the another key level, but we have a key level which is in the range of 17,820. Once again it has a gap between around 30-35 points. So these two ranges we need to closely monitor. If anything below this level, Nifty will trade. So you need to check out which level it is getting support. So according to that, we need to play because Nifty still has potential to go towards to the lower side 17,596 as well because of we have downside target. So once again, keep hedging method, that will be helpful today. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. And the summary, these are all the summary. The gap between positive and the negative average, which has more than 350 points, so go for a hedging method. And the bearish, I mean sorry, the CPR is also bullish once again, but still flat CPR. So flat CPR means sometimes it might go trending, and it still has potential to go irrespective of the site. It might not be bullish, it might not be bearish, so cautiously play. And the safe after the conclusion, so hedging method is the safe method to play because of the volatile indicators. So let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. Thank you.